Hi, this is Phil Haynes. I'm here with Leisure Outlets. Just want to talk you through the Camelbak forge. The forge is available in various colours, in various sizes, and it's a really clever bit of kit. I like a coffee in the morning when I'm driving to work. I also like to take a coffee when I'm hiking. The idea behind the forge is that it's an insulated vessel, but the clever bit is the cap. It's trigger, release, and it means you don't have to mess around with different lids and flipping things and twisting things. It is just purely pressing the trigger will open the drinking port. So the idea is when you want to drink, if it's a hot drink, always release the trigger upright, because the hot drink can increase pressure inside and that pressure can come out as you open it. Now, to drink, as I said, press the trigger, drink, and as soon as you release the trigger, that reseals it, so it's anti-spill. Great for commuting. It's got an anti-shock bottom, so the impact base will make sure that you can't damage, or shouldn't be able to damage, the unit itself. For cleaning, very simple. Top unscrews. The vessel has to be hand washed, as any other vessel like this in detergent. The lid, if you press the trigger, will open up the port and all the working parts, and that can be put in a dishwasher if you didn't want to wash it by hand. When you want to put it back together again, press the trigger, that puts that back into place, and that just screws on, and again that makes it watertight. For constant drinking, if you want to vent the hot drink, press the trigger, press that button there, and that keeps that drinking port open. As I said, the Camelbak forge, brilliant bit of kit, and is available in different sizes, different colours. To see the full range, go to leisureoutlet.com.